Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products available to help you make informed choices. Today, we're exploring the best diamond necklaces for women, focusing specifically on the Zeffi Diamond Solitaire Pendant Necklace made with exquisite cubic zirconia. If you're looking for a stunning piece of jewelry that combines elegance and affordability, you won't want to miss this. The Zeffi Diamond Solitaire Pendant Necklace is not just any ordinary piece of jewelry. It's designed to dazzle and impress. Featuring a delicate, dainty design, this necklace showcases a beautiful cubic zirconia stone that sparkles with every movement, capturing the light beautifully. The pendant is crafted from high-quality brass and plated with 18K gold, ensuring a luxurious finish that doesn't just look good but feels great against your skin. What truly sets this necklace apart is its impeccable design. The pendant features a classic solitaire style that is both timeless and modern. This design is perfect for layering with other necklaces or wearing on its own for a minimalistic look. The cubic zirconia gem has been expertly cut to maximize its sparkle and shine, making it a standout piece in any jewelry collection. In addition to its stunning appearance, the materials used in this necklace make it a smart choice for those who might have sensitive skin. The necklace is hypoallergenic and nickel-free, meaning you can wear it all day without irritation. The 18K gold plating ensures that this piece won't tarnish or fade quickly, allowing you to enjoy its beauty for years to come. One of the greatest features of the Zeffi Diamond Solitaire Pendant Necklace is its versatility. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion, heading to the office, or enjoying a casual day out, this necklace complements any outfit beautifully. Pair it with a chic dress for a formal event, or wear it with a simple t-shirt and jeans for an effortlessly stylish look. It's the perfect accessory for any season, making it an ideal addition to your jewelry box. This necklace also makes a thoughtful gift. Whether it's for a birthday, anniversary, or just because, the Zeffi Diamond Solitaire Pendant is sure to bring a smile to the face of your loved one. It comes beautifully packaged, making it ready for gifting right out of the box. Imagine the joy of surprising someone special with a piece of jewelry that they can cherish for a lifetime. Now, let's talk about the price. This stunning necklace is available for only $11.97, which is remarkable considering the quality and craftsmanship. When compared to similar pieces on the market, this necklace offers an exceptional value. You're not just buying a necklace. You're investing in a piece of jewelry that adds elegance and style to any wardrobe without breaking the bank. In summary, the Zeffi Diamond Solitaire Pendant Necklace is truly one of the best diamond necklaces for women available today. With its stunning cubic zirconia design, high-quality materials, and affordable price point, it's a must-have for anyone who loves jewelry. If you're in the market for a new necklace, or if you're looking for a perfect gift for someone special, this is definitely a piece you should consider. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews and recommendations. Until next time, keep shining.